Hi there, this is Alex with DCCTRAIN LLC, Multi-Train Store in Cincinnati, Ohio. Today is, guys, really nice day. Having trouble with that nice Australian locomotive. Here we go. Okay. So here we go. That's the type of the locomotive. I don't know much about Australian locomotives. That's my first one. So that's very cool. Learning curve. Every day something new. Okay, that's the manufacturer address. 14 plus. Yes, it's nice model. Definitely not for messing up with this. Original sound decoders was QSI, when we'll talk about it. Now I show you all details of that gorgeous loco. So it's still original QSI board, the first generation, with not programmable chip, and I was struggling to actually do anything with it, thinking to replace it, but actually customer to help me out with this. It was a file and upgrade chip, which is I order real quick and update all that chip, load specific file, and here we go. It's working now. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed the working of the engine. It's gorgeous. Thanks for watching, guys. Supporting business. Have a good one. Bye.